Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of the Math Geek. Video, we are going to learn about the physics concept waves. So what are waves? Waves are a disturbance in a medium. I actually did a project on waves recently. I did a lot of research on them. It was very interesting what I found. I'm just going to tell you the basics. So it's a disturbance in a medium. Right? So what does that mean? Let's say we have a gravitational wave. I'm going to do my best to draw space-time, which is a fabric-like thing that everything sits on. When you place an object on space-time, space-time curves around it. I don't know how to draw it, but you can think of it as a trampoline. When you drop a heavy object on it, it curves downward. The bigger the object, the bigger the curvature. An interesting thing I'm going to share with you is if you have such a huge object, curves space-time so much it can actually rip a hole in space-time. When you stretch a fabric too much, it rips, obviously. These are called wormholes. So far, it's just a sci-fi concept, but I could do a whole video on gravitational waves. They're so interesting. But let's stick to the topic on hand. So when you curve them, okay, and then when you have two objects spiraling into each other, they collide, they send out a gravitational wave. And it like shakes and vibrates space-time, kind of like that. Kind of shakes and vibrates. They get weaker as they go out. And if it's really strong, it can stretch you like that, but you feel like you're being stretched sideways. And then I'll stretch you like this, and then feel like you're being stretched up and down, and eventually it can rip your body. That's what happens with a black hole. So gravitational waves, very interesting. And there's a concept that all waves propagate. Propagate just means to move, and gravitational waves move through a medium. So let's think of one more example of a wave. Let's go with a traditional wave, an ocean wave. Let's draw a surfer on there. I'm not very skilled at drawing, guys. Sorry, that's why my channel's called The Math Geek. So what happens is the moon influences the wave with its gravity, of course, and then it causes tides like this. And the tides are obviously propagating because they're moving. And the medium is obviously the earth. Not the earth, like the ground, not the ground, but it's obviously like the air, the water, that medium. So there you have it, guys. I gave you two examples. One of the really cool gravitational wave, which is my personal favorite, and the traditional waves we think about, ocean waves. Thank you, guys. Make sure to like, follow, and subscribe if you haven't already. Stay tuned for next video.